Welcome back. Taking a full look at weather now. Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. The weekend, I think, started out a little overcast, but we've been getting plenty of sunshine.
Yeah, yesterday we had a little bit of fog on the coast. The sun came out a little bit, and then today's been a little sunnier. A little cool along the coast, though. Take a look at the visible cloud picture. Most of the state looking pretty clear. You can see some snow up in the Sierra Nevada today. We've also had some high cloud cover, very thin high clouds coming through at times, but generally looking pretty nice out there across the state today as we've kind of cleared out. There's just a few low clouds that look pretty close down near Point Buchan in San Luis Obispo County, but that was about it so far today. Things have been pretty clear. Otherwise, the low clouds have been offshore. We do have a weather system approaching from the west, though. You can see it right here. There's actually some rain that may sneak into Northern California. We've been watching this system. If you were following along with the weather last week, we talked about the potential, at least for some precipitation getting close to us as this system passes through tomorrow, but it doesn't look like we're going to see anything out of it. It's still possible we'll pull some drizzle out of the low clouds, which I do expect to eventually redevelop tonight. But at the moment, we're sunny and clear. Those clouds are going to be returning as we head through the overnight. Futurecast has them already here by 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. I think it'll take a little bit longer for that to happen, but eventually late tonight into tomorrow morning, these low clouds will develop as onshore flow moistens up a little bit. We've already started to see some cooler air sneak back in this afternoon, and that is going to keep pushing into our inland valleys overnight. So this is 4 a.m. Could see some low clouds by then, and they should be pretty low, so there's potential for some fog out there as well. Now, really, again, as this system passes by, and really the actual weak tail end of the front will be here tomorrow afternoon or so, we will see a little bit of a wind shift, but that's about it. In fact, it almost looks like the front will cause the back end of the low clouds to show up. So before that happens, we might squeeze a couple of sprinkles out of the low clouds late tomorrow morning. But I think by tomorrow, later in the afternoon, we're going to clear out. Winds will be a little bit gusty out of the northwest once again. What's new? We've been dealing with that for the last couple of days anyway, and it will be cooler, notably cooler across the region tomorrow. Take a look at your highs. We were in the 70s in many locations of the Santa Cruz Mountains today. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at highs mostly in the 60s, 66 in Santa Cruz, mid-60s in Capitola. We're going to stay in the 50s in Bonnie Doon and Davenport tomorrow, so getting a little chilly there. South and east we go, over to Watsonville, upper 60s tomorrow, mid-60s in Salinas. We were seasonable in Salinas today, around 68 for the high. Tomorrow, we're going to be about 3 degrees cooler. Hollister, Gilroy, upper 60s tomorrow, staying in the 50s in Marina. And for folks in and around the Monterey Peninsula, highs mainly in the 50s tomorrow, including that 57 in Pacific Grove with a biting northwesterly wind off the water. You'll have some clouds to contend with in Carmel Valley. It's going to be tough to get out of the 50s tomorrow. I've got you only at 60, and we might squeeze out a few 70s in the south as the warmer air mass erodes away. But if you don't like the cooler weather, the good news is temperatures are going to head right back upward. So we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs a little bit warmer for the rest of the week on the coast. We'll still have some wind at times, passing low clouds, but should be a fairly nice week, just a little bit on the windy side, which is pretty common, I suppose, for the spring. At the moment, not expecting any rain in the forecast. We're going to watch toward the end of the week, Friday into Saturday, 1 week weather systems passing by. There's at least one model that shows some moisture maybe reaching the Santa Cruz Mountains, but that may be a stress. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Inland areas also cool tomorrow. Highs about 5 degrees below normal, then heading back upward for Tuesday and Wednesday. In fact, above normal Wednesday, Thursday, mostly sunny skies. Still dealing with a bit of wind for the next several days. And again, we're going to watch the system maybe that Friday to Saturday time frame, but right now not looking all that great, guys.
All right, thanks, Dan.